In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up my recommended Squarespace shipping strategy. Start by opening your Squarespace dashboard and heading to your website settings. From there, look for the Selling section. That's where all of your commerce tools live. Inside Selling, choose Shipping. This is the hub where we'll set up a clear, reliable strategy that gives customers good choices without overwhelming them. First, add a shipping option and choose Flat Rate. This is great for a simple, predictable, standard shipping offering. Give it a clear name customers will recognize, set a single price that covers your average fulfillment costs, and, if you like, limit it to specific regions. Consistency is key here. Flat rate helps reduce cart abandonment because there are no surprises. Save your changes when you're done. Next, add another shipping option and select weight-based. This lets you charge differently for light versus heavy orders. Create tiers that match your real costs. For example, a lower rate for small parcels and a higher rate for heavier items. Be sure your products have accurate weights in their details. Weight-based rates and live rates rely on that data. Add clear labels to each tier so buyers understand what they're getting, then save. Now add one more shipping option and choose the live, carrier-calculated rates that factor in weight, distance, and package size. This shows real-time prices at checkout, which customers often perceive as fair. Squarespace may prompt you to confirm package dimensions or a default package. Do that so the math is accurate. Save this option as well, and consider naming it something like real-time carrier rates, so it's instantly understandable. To enhance this setup, look for the recommended options shown in your shipping area and follow the prompts to connect a shipping partner. Choose the recommended integration and click Connect. You'll be guided through a quick connection flow. Confirm and connect again to authorize the extension. This integration can unlock discounted carrier labels, automatic rate accuracy, and streamlined fulfillment features, which pair perfectly with your flat and weight-based offerings. With these three pieces in place, flat rate for simplicity, weight-based for fairness across sizes, and live carrier rates for real-time accuracy, you've got a balanced strategy that serves most customers well. As a best practice, double-check that every product has a weight, review any regional exclusions you set, and place a test order to see each option at checkout. If something looks off, adjust the labels, prices, or tiers until everything feels clear and consistent. That's it.